Welcome to the future of luxury manufacturing. Today, we'll trace the journey of this exquisite python bag from the farm all the way to our boutique.
Body weight is stable, and the feeding response was excellent.
Good. Let's update the husbandry notes.
Okay, scan registered, enclosure 42.
Confirmed. Data updated on the ledger.
Weight is 1.2 kilograms. Go ahead and log that.
Done. Moving on to the garter snake now.
Okay, slide the next one right here. Careful with the weight, it's secure. Okay, pull it clear.
Watch the alignment on the dock plate.
Look here, batch 789 is confirmed.
All right, I'll keep them coming.
The pH levels are dropping near the boundary.
I'm on it, adjusting the alkalinity now.
Looks stable. We are well within the green range.
Okay, easy now, watch the corner.
Got it.
Bring it straight back.
Environmental readings are holding steady at 65%.
Good. Let's clear these lots for the next phase.
The sapphire blue is nearly perfect, just a touch more stabilizer.
I agree. The emerald is holding well against the swatch, though.
The dorsal scales on this batch look good. Agreed. I've noted the slight variation on the fifth piece here.
I've got a slight discoloration here near the center.
Yes, I see that. It looks like a grade 3 imperfection.
Agreed.
Make a note on the tablet.
This batch feels significantly softer than the last shipment.
Agreed.
The consistency is uniform throughout.
A little to the left, right there. Got it, looks good.
The scale matches the 3D render.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
The density on this curve is slightly off. Log that as a cautionary note.
Right. Should I flag the tension near the splice point too?
Yes, the variance is too high.
Shipment confirmed for Container 7. Ready for seal.
Made from ethically sourced snake leather. To maintain the luster, keep away from direct sunlight and humidity. Clean gently with a soft, dry cloth.
Angle this one slightly more towards the center. We want the python pattern to be clearly visible.
Understood.
Our commitment to ethical sourcing means we meticulously track the supply chain, ensuring both animal welfare and environmental responsibility in our snake leather production.
Shirts. We are proud of the full journey from the farm to this high-end fashion statement. It is a testament to true